Alright, this thing is supposed to hold 4 liters of water. This is 1 liter. And hold that.
Hope that's what it's. Hope that's where it's supposed to go.
Uh-oh, we got a leak. Yep. Alright. I'm Dad.
I'm Sean.
And today we're doing a review.
Yeah. This is supposed to be a Turkish tea kettle.
Yeah, let's see. My notes say
Mm-hmm.
Samovar Turkish Tea Kettle. It's on Amazon. The price was $57 with shipping and tax. It holds 4 liters of water. It's got a 4-star rating. And it says it's made of chrome. That's what it was advertised as. But we're going to open this thing up, get it set up, fire it up, and see if it'll work for our cabin, our hunt camp situation. Because we need hot water.
Yeah, we need. You missed the line.
Yeah, way to go. It's like Christmas.
Let's see what we got here. Ooh.
Pull that out.
Well, look
Oh,
at that.
it came
Whoa,
pretty much.
Nice.
So this is how it came out of the box.
This is awesome.
There's nothing more in the box. We can throw that away.
Oh, look at that handle, man. And that water dispenser, boy.
It's so little and cute.
And
All right, let's get it unwrapped.
So
There's,
nice.
I think there's some parts inside, like maybe a chimney or something.
I think.
I got it.
Oh, look at this beauty.
Okay, got by plastic.
This came out of the.
Okay, that's part of the chimney. What else is in there?
This. Well. Nothing.
Okay,
That's cool.
we'll figure that out.
Do we?
Oh, yeah, the lid comes off. Okay, this is where I think you pour the water because this is where the spout is. It's got a little bit of dirties in there.
That's okay. We can always clean that. But look how awesome this is.
Yeah, we're gonna get a good burn going and clean this up. It's got some residue in there. I'm not really sure what that is. Chimney. Okay, so this chimney is one piece built in. It doesn't come out. It's in there. And this is the reservoir for the water.
Is it supposed to come out?
Well, Amazon description said that you can take the top piece off and use the bottom as a barbecue, which I didn't really intend to do anyway. This is, you know, some pretty flimsy, lightweight metal. I doubt it's chrome. Maybe some parts of this are.
But how is it supposed to work on?
It's got a little latch right there.
Okay.
Okay. So there's no instructions in the box.
Zero instructions. This is kind of weird, but we're gonna figure this out. It's like I do with Legos all the time. I never read the instructions. I just look at what it looks like on the box, and I'm like, okay, so that piece goes there.
Yeah, so this will go on the top. Let me see that chimney.
So what chimney?
It's got a little knob on it. Fits on there pretty good. Actually, that's really tight. I like that. We'll see if there's any smoke that comes out. Okay, there's a sticker on the top. It's written in Turkish,
Which we don't know.
which doesn't apply to us. So let's just take it off.
Hope it's
Ooh, it's super sticky.
Oh, I hate it with that.
So burning for about 10 minutes. Oh, it's too hot to. It says overheat. Okay, that's overheat.
I mean, it's too hot to measure.
303. Caden's good. I want to take you on the Price is Right, buddy. I think this thing needs new batteries. They're starting to get a little low.
Is that around 280 something?
Alright, so a quick update. Steaming really good now. It's been about 35 minutes. We started with the 4 liters and we're actually, as it steams away.
Is that salt or water?
I think they just have that handle a little loose.
Yeah.
So it just needs to be tightened up. I don't think we have to replace it.
Yeah, we'll have to take a look at this handle for sure. This little spout. It's a little underbuilt in my opinion.
I like that how long the fire has been going and how this part works. But I disagree is that this leak and
Yeah.
the fire kind of burnt this tin. Is kind of
Yeah, we're a little
bowed.
singed on this hinge and the metal's bent a little bit from the fire, but it's not terrible.
Yeah.
A couple things to remember is don't touch any part of it when the fire's on. Like
Except only
these handles are super hot. They're over 200 degrees.
Yeah.
And the max heat we got was about 380 or so.
Girl, it was 303, I think,
Oh.
is what we read. Max heat. So, and then 4 liters, it does take 4 liters exactly.
And
Like
since
about
it was
right
on a
up to the
log,
top.
it kind of tilted to the other way. So if you have it on a nice flat platform, it could be fine.
Probably would be. If it gets to boiling with 4 liters, then the water will start coming out the top.
So you probably just want to put 3.5 liters in.
Yeah. But I like your idea. You could make soup in it.
Yeah.
Just use a ladle to scoop it out and then clean it out real good when you're done. I like the fact that no smoke comes out of this this portion here, which
Even though there's cracks in it.
is now stuck on.
Because the metal
So
melted
it's-
a little bit.
Yeah, well, the metal expanded and it made a nice seal here.
This
So
happens when you get metal nice and hot.
you're not going to get any smoke leaking out of there. If you,
And-
I mean, for the price, it's not bad. 44 bucks. What do you think?
Very nice. Recommend getting one of these things.
Yeah, it's 4-star on Amazon. I think I'm gonna go with 4-star also, only because of the handle leaks. And there's nothing wrapped around these handles, so once it's on and going, you can't move it. So yeah, I'll go with 4-star. What about you?
4-star.
4-star.
We're 4 all around. Okay. Turkish tea kettle stands at 4 stars.
4-star.
At some point it will cool off a little bit so we can, or all the way, so we
way.
can get inside there and inspect it. But
Yeah, tell me how long it takes to cool off. If it cools off fast, it's pretty good. Because you want to have it hot
yeah,
forever.
I think it's gonna take a while. This thing is still,
Nice and
it's still hot.
Hot.
We're still steaming, so we're still boiling on the inside.
As if we open up the lid, it'd be nice and hot and boiling in there.
Yeah.
So your face.
We'll open up the lid.
Let's let it cool off.
And if you were gonna do that, Jensen, I would recommend wearing